वेलकम टू इग्नू वाला। यह असाइनमेंट इग्नू वाला द्वारा डेवलप किया गया है in association with Neeraj Publications, publishing the largest range of chapter-wise reference books, including many solved sample question papers for various IGNOU courses. Now, let's start studying the assignment for the subject code BEGE 141, Understanding Prose. Let's start discussing section A. Write short notes on the following. The first part says images and symbols as figures of speech. Let's discuss the answer. यदि हम इमेज की बात करें तो इमेज एक विजुअल पिक्चर, एक विजुअल रिप्रेजेंटेशन होती है विच इज इवोक्ड बाय द यूज ऑफ ईदर अ वर्ड और अ फ्रेज। ये यूज की जाती है डिस्क्रिप्टिव राइटिंग को और इफेक्टिव और एफिशिएंट बनाने के लिए। इमेज रेफर करती है टू द सेंस ऑफ टेस्ट, स्मेल, टच और हियरिंग को बिसाइड्स सीन। इमेज को यूजुअली लिखा जाता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सिमिली और मेटाफॉर। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, देर इज अ गार्डन इन हर फेस where roses and white lilies grow. An image is a visual picture evoked by the use of either a word or phrase. ये यूज करती है डिफेक्टिव और डिस्क्रिप्टिव राइटिंग को इफेक्टिव बनाने के लिए। सिंबल की बात करें ऑन द अदर हैंड, सिंबल स्टैंड करता है फॉर समथिंग एल्स। अ डव इज अ सिंबल ऑफ पीस। ये एक कॉन्क्रीट एक्सप्रेशन है ऑफ एन abstract concept such as peace. A literary symbol usually has a range of meaning. For example, in Bleak House, the novel by Charles Dickens, we have for everywhere, fog up in the river, fog down the river. Moving on to the next part, a historical perspective of travelogues. Let's discuss the answer. The people had done land trials and 3 voyages to distant lands. The history of travel work काफी पुराना है. Travelers like A.L. Biruni, Ferhin, Hyun Sang, etc. ने visit किया lands को east और west में and left rich records in book marked as important documents about the life and culture and history. Borrow's trial record containing the experiences with the Gibbses is found in his Levin group. ट्रैवल अकाउंट्स नॉन फिक्शनल पोज होते हैं बट लेटर्स फिक्शनल होते हैं। बहुत सारे नॉवलिस्ट, बी इट इंग्लिश और अमेरिकन, ने अलग अलग नॉवेल्स लिखी विद अ मिक्स ऑफ ट्रैवल एंड फिक्शन। Moving on to the next part, diary writing as a literary form. Let's discuss the answer. Diary एक record होता है which is originally in a handwritten format with discrete entries arranged by date reporting on what has happened over the course of the day or other period. एक पर्सनल डायरी इंक्लूड करती है पर्सन के एक्सपीरियंसेस को, थॉट्स और फीलिंग्स को, जो इंक्लूड करता है कमेंट ऑन करंट इवेंट्स आउटसाइड द राइटर्स डायरेक्ट एक्सपीरियंस। समवन जो डायरी रखते हैं इज नोन एज अ डायरिस्ट। डायरीज अंडरटेक करती है फॉर इंस्टीट्यूशनल पर्पसेस। ये प्ले करती है इंपॉर्टेंट रोल बहुत सारे एस्पेक्ट्स में, जैसे कि ह्यूमन सिविलाइजेशन इंक्लूडिंग गवर्नमेंट रिकॉर्ड्स, बिजनेस लेजर्स एंड मिलिट्री रिकॉर्ड्स। For instance, George Sand's Mayer's history and narrative are highly crafted texts जो draw करते हैं heavily from the author's diary. Moving on to the fourth part, difference between biography and autobiography. Let's discuss the answer. These can be differentiated on the basis of certain points जैसे कि autobiography में childhood is highlighted the most, but biography में the author concentrates on the present period of individual when he or she is successful. Biography focus करती है death of the individual पे, लेकिन autobiography में death important नहीं होती। Biography में life is created by a third person narrator who may or may not be objective, whereas in autobiography first person narrator is subjective. Biography एक अकाउंट और बुक होती है यूजुअली ऑफ अ फेमस पर्सन लाइक अ सेलिब्रिटी, साइंटिस्ट, इनोवेटर, सोशल रिफॉर्मर एटसेट्रा। लेकिन ऑटोबायोग्राफी में बायोग्राफी सेल्फ रिटन नहीं होती, ये किसी थर्ड पार्टी द्वारा लिखी जाती है। Moving on to section B. Answer the following questions. Write a short note on Kinsett's prose style as seen in her essay on seeing England for the first time. Let's discuss the answer. A writer usually use करते हैं literary devices को और mindful use of language को अपने theme को present करने के लिए। किनकेट ने present किया plight of colonized people जो force किए गए to live an English life which is totally different from the other narrative place. किनकेट समटाइम्स sarcastic और ironic रहे अपने एक्सप्रेशन में। ये इंक्लूड करता है यूनिक काइंड ऑफ pathos टू। sarcasm एक काइंड ऑफ रिमार्क है which means the antonym of what they appear to mean and have an intention to mock. This shows that the itinerary, as she neither had fine dresses nor took an evening stroll and hadn't visited any theatre. Pathos एक condition है जो highlight करती है the feeling of pity और sadness को. In paragraph 3, author ने show किया compulsion faced by the Antiguans to get the information about England in the line draw a map of England. उनका दिमाग show करता है pity of Antiguan plights को under the England domination. She chose rhetorical strategies जिसने include किया syntax और careful selection of diction को. वो successful रही अपने rebellious और distasteful attitude को express करने में towards England. Moving on to the next question. How does Bill Aitken comment upon the cultural divide between the North and the South? Give reasons for your answer. Let's discuss the answer. The extracts very well convey the writer's eye for the detail, his understanding the cultural difference between North and the South. उनकी fascination steam engine के लिए एक apparent theme रही from the text. The theme of text is basically the description of things that the writer sees during his journey. जो जो उन्होंने अपनी journey के दौरान देखा, उन्हीं सब चीजों को उन्होंने theme में describe किया. उन्होंने देखा railway station has been remodeled like a temple. He says tastefully so, which signifies that the architecture used for the temple has similar aesthetic appeal as the temple. Also, ये prove करता है to be a good example of the cultural difference between the two groups. North Indian travelers are not punctual, while the South Indians are quite punctual and always on time. Writer ने observe किया कि South Indians have far greater sense of hygiene than that of North Indians. Moving on to the next question. Describe the picture that Margaret Lawrence paints of a post-nuclear world war. Let's discuss the answer. In My Final Hour, Lawrence ने show किया how gravely she is a human being was concerned about humanity and sufferings of people. During the last decade of her life, वो काफी involved रही in nuclear disarmament, social justice and environmental protection causes. Her concern and commitment towards the social cause evidently देखी गई in the essay, जहां उन्होंने लिखा I speak as a Christian, a woman, a writer, a parent, a member of humanity, and sharer in life itself. A life I believe to be informed and infused with the Holy Spirit. वो further share करती हैं pain of Holocaust in Europe का, जहां Nazis mercilessly murder करते हैं great part of Jewish communities को. She was addressing students who were candidates to the ministry of the church. She presented major concerns. उन्होंने major concerns पे focus किया जैसे कि environmental protection, peace and justice in society. वो nuclear arms और production के against थी. She wanted a peaceful country and good environment for every individual. Moving on to the next question. Write a short note on Strachey's technique as a biographer. Let's discuss the answer. Strachey's की टेक्निक शो करती हैं कि उन्होंने प्रेजेंट की एक्सटर्नल डिटेल्स एंड इनर थॉट्स एंड फीलिंग्स ऑफ द कैरेक्टर्स को. साइकोलॉजिकल एस्पेक्ट आता है फ्रॉम द फैक्ट एट द हैंड. Albert's predicament and his personal response coming out of the history was constructed by Lytton. उन्होंने कंस्ट्रक्ट किया इंसिडेंट को imaginatively. He attempted to keep as close to authentic devices as possible. Moving on to section C. Answer the following questions in about 500 words each. Write a detailed note on Orwell's view of imperialism as seen in his essay Shooting an Elephant. Let's discuss the answer. Orwell ने explain किया कैसे someone shot कर सकता है elephant को with the use of good words and structure of sentences. He hustled narrative, expository and descriptive strategies in communication. Essay में similes, metaphor, imaginary को use किया गया है. He even put his views about imperialism and how it was conducive to colonialism and views of conditions of Europeans, the English, Indians and Burmese in Burma. I do not know what I could do, but I wanted to see what was happening, and I got on to a pony and started out. I took my rifle and old Winchester and much to kill an elephant, but I thought the noise might be useful in terrarium. Moving on to the next question. The title of Chekhov's story, Misery, aptly summarizes the mood of the story. Do you agree? Give a reasoned answer. Let's discuss the answer. The word misery यहाँ पर appear होता है toward the latter half of the story 5 times and on a sixth occasion it is used as an adjective miserable. Misery word in the title signify करता है mood को and the story that carries it. The word tells us about the self-centered, unresponsive and feelingless nature of human beings in the world. Misery title represent करता है overwhelming grief का of Aina Patapov over the loss of his son and unfruitful attempts to share it with fellow travelers in his sledge. Shilkov tell करती है एक story को of the main character. He is a sledge driver, meets various types of people and spend most of the time with them. It may seem कि Aina should be lonely as he is always surrounded with people. ऑथर ने कुछ सीरियस प्रॉब्लम्स को रीडर्स तक दिखाया जैसे कि मिजरी एक्सप्लेन करता है सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ मॉरल प्रिंसिपल्स को। ये स्टोरी उन लोगों के बारे में है दैट जो अपने जीवन में सैटिस्फाइड है और जिन्हें ऐसा लगता है दे आर अबव अदर पीपल। This story is about the people who are not able to understand each other and who do not know the significance of sympathy. Moving on to the next question. Anne Frank's diary is a commentary on the terrible impact of war. Discuss this by providing examples from the text. Anne herself went into the secret annexure to save herself and her family from the brutal killing by the Nazis as they are Jews. यहाँ पर if they are refused, they were sent to jail. They were unable to flee the neighboring countries like Netherlands and it was already occupied. So the Jews were in dire need to arrange a hiding, but ये बहुत मुश्किल था. Anne's family hid in the annexure of the building where Otto had his business. The Frank family was betrayed to the Nazis and arrested on August 14, 1994. Anne and other members of the secret annexe was living a dull, stingy and a life full of limited resources. But वो खुश थी as she and her family are alive, whereas other Jews were either killed or had run away, leaving all their possessions. Moving on to the next question. Write a detailed note on Russell's prose style as seen in his autobiography. Let's discuss the answer. Brevity, precision and clarity. रूजल्स वेल नोन रहे अपने ल्यूसिड और एलिगेंट प्रोज स्टाइल के लिए। उनका एक्सप्रेशन का स्टाइल शो करता है क्लैरिटी उनके थॉट से रिलेटेड। ही विश टू एक्सप्लेन एवरीथिंग इन द लीस्ट नंबर ऑफ वर्ड्स, तो यही उनकी खासियत थी। एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी, उनका एक माइल्ड और रिलैक्स्ड आयरनिक टोन था थ्रू आउट। इट इज एन अर्बेन जेंटलमैनली एंड frank mode of expression. When he told his granny that he grew 2.5 inches in the last 7 months, and his grandmother argued that he should have grown 4.29 inches in a year. Irony. Irony यहाँ represent हुई. His coachman has an exquisite top hat calculated to advertise the excellence of the practice. Use of language. Russell use करते हैं colloquial expressions like goody goody, namby pamby, which are the parts of his narrative speech. Moving on to the next question. Write a critical appreciation of Gandhi's art and craft of autobiography. Let's discuss the answer. Gandhi ने details दी from the period of his birth 1869 up to the year 1921. Series of incidents जो उनकी life में हुए काफी interesting रहे and is making the book worth reading. His experiments with didactics and naturopathy compromises his wife Kasturba. Gandhi's friend ने attempt किया to convert him into Christian or Islam was interesting part of the book. His meetings with Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Gokhale, the book is very much true to its title. His incidents can shape your thinking and the lessons learned by him in his life can make you understand the situations in your life. But Gandhi was against such practices, they would tell in a different story. Gandhi felt helpless in stopping the evil practice. उन्होंने ordinary man की तरह behave किया और wish किया that someone else would stop it. He wished to go through self-purification and self-sacrifice in saving others' lives. असाइनमेंट एंड ऐसे और इग्नू सॉल्व असाइनमेंट्स को डाउनलोड करने के लिए विजिट करें हमारी वेबसाइट ignowala.com। अब आप नीरज पब्लिकेशंस की इग्नू बेस्ड चैप्टर वाइज रेफरेंस बुक्स विद सॉल्व सैम्पल क्वेश्चन पेपर्स पर पा सकते हैं अप टू 50 प्लस 15% एडिशनल डिस्काउंट की ऑफर। इस ऑफर को अवेल करने के लिए विजिट www.neerajbooks.com today. For more updates and information related to IGNOU, please subscribe and also comment below if you have any feedback and which assignment do you want to see next. Thank you for watching.